In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a TN cover that has a pattern on the front and on the back page. So step 1, open the sizing panel and select a traveler's notebook size, which are listed down here. So I will select the standard TN, and you see it will open you a double page like here. Now to make a cover, you only need to have a frame or a box on the right page here. So we want to have an empty page here and a simple cover layout on the right side. So let's go to the layout panel and let's select a cover layout. For example, this one here. So apply to this page. Then you don't need to have a widget here, so what I will do is click on it and then scroll down to MISC, and we want to apply an empty widget, this one here. Next, we also don't need the titles up here, so if you click on it, it will open the text panel for you, and there you can deselect the title. So click and deselect. Next, what we can do is you can apply a pattern. So go to the styling panel, and then down here you have different patterns you can choose from. For example, let's go with a gingham, and let's make it full. And there you go. In here you can add a frame, so go to graphics and scroll down to geometry. You could add a circle like this one here, or you can also add a square, a rectangle, or yeah, let's go with the circle. And up here you have an input where you can type in, for example, dailies. Then down here you can increase the size of the text. You can adjust the font weight, and you can align the title or the text on the left or on the right side, or you can adjust the height as well. If you want to change the font, you would go to the text panel, and on page title you can change the font here. So let's choose, for example, this font, the Pacifico font here. Click on it again to adjust the font weight, or to increase and decrease the sizing of the font, and that should look okay. You can print out the cover as is, like this one here, or if you want, you can add a pattern on the inside of the cover. Now to do that, we want to add a second page, so let's go to Workspace and click on Add Planner. Click again. So we have two pages. This is page 1, and the back page is here. So what we need to do is we need to remove this widget. You can't remove any widgets here on Planify Pro, but what you can do is you can click and you can select to add an empty widget. Now you see you don't have anything anymore on the second page, and on the first page you have your cover. So you can click on Batch Generate PDF here, and click on Download, and there you go. You can also adjust the styling and, for example, change the colors here or maybe make it blue or purple or green or gray or whatever color you want. So these are all the colors you can adjust. And what you can do as well is you could also add an image for the background, or you could also add one of your own images. So to do that, you want to click on My Image, and then you want to click on Choose File, and then you want to import your image. So I already have a few of my images here. So for example, if I would select this picture here, it would apply it to the cover. So that is something you can do as well.